up your own rules as you go. Stay only true to what you know and who you are. And who you are. The road may be rough, you might not see the top, but winners don't quit and winners don't stop. The lead may look large, you might think that you'll fall, but winners aren't born, winners work hard. They work hard. You can't win if you don't play. The game might be dirty, but it's okay. You can't win if you don't play. You can't win if you don't play. The game might be dirty, but it's okay. You can't win if you don't play. So you better play the game. Know that your own light takes you there. Keep shining so bright and don't compare yourself to them. Yourself to them. You can't win if you don't play. The game might be dirty, but it's okay. You can't win if you don't play. So you better play the game.
All right, guys. Sorry for the late stream. I've just been so focused right now. Like right now, it's a big day. It's a really big day. So I'm excited because the market is down. We could see really good continuation. Give me 1 second because I gotta get focused 100% on this session because this could be a really freaking big session. This could be a session that I've been waiting for such a long time. So yeah, just. I think this stream is going to go into the market open. I'm going to be super focused, so if I don't talk, that's probably why. I really want to be focused on this because the market can do either one thing. I think it's going to have a continuation to the downside for sure. So we'll see. I like how the liquid 50 is looking at currently right now. Let me just answer Austin real quick about the reason why I think we're going to see a quick intraday pop. Looks like market's going up right now. Let's see what we do here. Maybe a quick intraday pop. 1 minute, 5 minute. I like how I want to look at the 5 minute mostly. Yeah, market's rebounding real quick. Interesting. It's interesting. We're seeing kind of a pop right now. I'm very interested in this. Let's see if the momentum is actually just volatility or is it just bullish momentum purely. Good risk because of the tight price range into today. Okay. Alright. Yeah, so we're looking at kind of an intraday pop on SPY, the S&P. Gold, silver. I don't trade gold or silver, so I'm not going to be focused on that today. Nike, Walmart. Like, I don't even trade those stocks, but I know they've been trying to kind of just compress out of the normal. So this is a big day. Not gonna lie, I'm really excited, and if I'm quiet, that's probably because I'm concentrating real quick. 15-minute looks like it's just a quick intraday pop to the upside. Interesting enough that it's making a higher low. 1 hour liquid 50. I just love that. I just love seeing that. Like I'm still bearish on it, no matter what. Alright. It's a big day. I'm really excited. Leave a like. Subscribe. We're gonna get started with this session. Alright. Cool. Cool. Oh my god. Where's my PDF? Bro, where's my PDF? Gosh dang it. Looks like market is trying to reject off that level. I'm gonna get ready. Let's go. Let's get ready for the session. I still have my swing trade on. I gotta send Austin to this real quick. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so it was a rejection. Cool. Okay, we rejected right there. All right. Alrighty. See if we see if we make a higher low right over here or we reject. I think we're rejecting. I just like the liquid 50 on the higher time frame so much. Especially the 3, 4, 5 minute are bearish to me. So there's some movers last night in Forex for sure. I got in trade on Euro AUD on last night's session, and I made about like an hour. I closed, half at 1 hour. So made about like around like 0.0 0.16%, so small winner, but it's whatever. But yeah, we've been seeing some movers right now. EuroCAD. Very interesting. So maybe we're making a higher low right over here. Maybe making lower high. Euro USD. Looks like we were bearish today, which is kind of the anticipation from yesterday's stream. Yeah, Euro UD just chopped. You know, looks like it's trying to come its way up again. EuroCAD bounce off the 200 EMA. GPCAD. JPY pairs literally just fell through the roof today. There's a lot of swap in liquid 50s though, unfortunately. Your NZD didn't really do anything today. GP and ZD, neither. Still kind of long buy, so if you guys are looking for buy, I don't know, just 800 EMAs in the way, so that's something I don't like. But, you know, it is bullish on GP and ZD. You guys can look right over here. Still bullish. Even though the 800 EMA is in the way, if you go to the 1 minute, there's bullish divergence, so his price action is falling. The RSI is rising. So that's something to keep aware of. Maybe, you know, from the level of the daily pivot and the 200 EMA, we can see price actions continue going up. It's just 800 EMAs in the way. From right over here. But maybe you can kind of get a late entry on it. You know, retest, get in right over here, we stop loss at the pin low. I mean, yeah, it's just 800, like, it's in the way. But, you know, if we go through that level, there's definitely enough risk reward to the upside toward the previous low. So yeah. Usually JPY just fell through the roof to ADR. Looks like it may be kind of retesting the 50. Same with Euro JPY. So a lot of volatility on the JPY pairs today. I'm not really looking at anything else on Forex, because everything has a swap in liquid 50. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not seeing anything. I don't trade swap in liquid 50s for today. JPCAD. I mean, JPCAD is bullish still, for sure. I'll definitely put an eye on that. The Asian range has been broken. The one thing that I would say is there's bearish divergence on top. So its price action is rising, RSI is falling. So let me just put that out real quick. So right over here, JPCAD. We got this, and then as well as this kind of level to keep aware of. So it's something to be aware of, you know. So this is bullish for the day, just bearish divergence. EMAs are bullish. Looking at the 1 hour for the higher time frame analysis, liquid 50 is holding the buy zone perfectly. I like how the EMAs are looking. I like how it's off. It's rejecting off the 21 EMA and that pivot right there on the top. If we go to the 4 hour, we're probably looking at the same thing. 4 hour, definitely bullish. EMAs could definitely be better, but liquid 50 is in the buy zone rising. Yeah, I mean the 800 EMA could definitely be better, so I'll give that a minus on the 4 hour, just because I'm really conservative on like my analysis. So, but the 821 EMA is only upshift, so that's something that's important. 1 daily, liquid 50 is in the sell zone for sure, but it's rising, and then the 821 EMAs are in the upshift right now, so that's something to keep in mind. So if we go to the 15-minute, that's definitely looking long bias on the higher time frames for sure. So if we can, you know, mark up, you know, so 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, like the 1 hour is pretty much perfect for longs, except for the bearish divergence, so I definitely have to mark that up. But kind of really perfect for longs. I like it. Looks like Nasdaq is trying to fall right now, hopefully. So that's my analysis on it. Intraday for sure looks bullish. So we could expect kind of a bullish run. If we go to the 1 minute, we got some divergence ready for forming, but no kind of structure to the upside. Actually, no divergence. Excuse me. There's no divergence yet. Looks like there's divergence. I mean, from yeah. So I think we'll just wait. Kind of my idea on it is, since we're not seeing kind of a strong rejection. I think that we will see it come down to the 200 EMA today, or the daily pivot. We'll see. Maybe we'll just wait. Alright, 30 minutes until market opens. I do my daily trading plan. Let me calculate the FQN for the day on indices. Yeah, it's not. There's no divergence yet on GBP CAD, which is fine. We'll just have to wait for the for it to come in. What's going on, guys? What's going on? 1 second. Looks like price action starting to go up again, but I'm still bearish on it. I like how the liquid 50 on the higher time frames are starting to kind of correlate now. Okay, so let me take that pivot out. Alright, so the average range today is 258. So 258 divided by the last 30 days. I mean, excuse me, 258 times 30 times the 30 days. 258 times 30. Seven, 6, 1. All right, and then the standard deviation, which it changes, but it's still 19. In my should be still 19. Quiet for me, pretty good. Pretty good day. So let's look at the standard deviation again on Nasdaq. I'm pretty sure it's still 19 in the last 30 days. Yeah, it's still 19. Standard deviation. So 19 times 30. I'm expecting not that big of a FQ win just because of a big drop yesterday. Let's see. Interesting. So the FQ and so price action looks like it's right now rejecting off that 21 EMA on the 15-minute. Yeah, the FQ end is high today. I'm not even gonna mark it up because it's too high. Looking at the intraday though. I'm not alone. Alright. GCAD, it's still doing its thing right now. There's no divergence yet. Let me do the trading plan real quick. Excuse me. Let's see. What the frick? So we have to note out that the bull of divergence right here. So that's a level that I definitely have to check out. And be aware of. This could be a reason why price action stopped at that level. Looks like GCAT is pushing up right now. Maybe we can expect maybe an A1 entry. Oh, or shift candle actually. Interesting. Sorry for the drawings, I draw a lot. I like how the TL is dropping like that with the RSI. Next level will be this significant level right over here. That's my level. Interesting. Alright. So we saw a shift candle right over here. It didn't close until the next candle, unfortunately. But, I mean, I could take it with good risk to reward if I really wanted to. Just about 1.5 R. Looks like we're kind of in a range right now. Market opens in 10 minutes. But I just want to show you guys the shift candle. Maybe we can see a level 2 confirmation once we break through the divergence, maybe. I'll keep an eye on it. But it looks like it's going up right now, so we could expect it to come over here. It's risking about 17 pips, just 1.5 for almost, yeah, 1.5 R. But for me, it's not. I mean, I don't take anything not less than 2 R for me. Okay. I'm not sure if my mic is correct. Let me check real quick. Pretty sure my mic's on. Yeah, it is. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, market opens in less than 10 minutes. Let's look at the 1 minute closer now. I'm kind of making a little wedge right over here. Kind of like a compressed wedge. Little range on the 1 minute. Alright, so looks like GCAT is falling down again, so that kind of shift isn't really working out for GCAT, but we'll see. We'll see what it does. Alright, we're done with our daily trading plan. Alright, cool. Market opens in 5 minutes. Looks like GCAD just completely reversed from that candle. So actually this will be the low of the day. Alright, market opens in like 3 minutes. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go use the restroom. Market opens. When does he make it? Looks like it's shooting up again. Maybe we could see kind of a fake out. We'll see. GCAT is going down. I didn't enter right there. Yeah, I'm not entering. I don't know. I feel like this is a fake out. I don't know. It's kind of hard to identify. I mean, like, on the 15-minute, we're off the 50 EMA, so we're rejecting it right now. Look at that flush. 1 hour, we're rejecting off the 8 EMA. I just, like, the 4-hour liquid 50, like, I'm so short bias on it. Maybe I could scalp it to the long side, but I don't think it's worth it for me. Could be my loss today, could be the reason why I lose money today, or could be the reason why I didn't take fully advantage of the market. But I'm just trusting my analysis. Like, the higher time frames are so really bearish, so like if I do take a long, it's gonna have to be a scalp, a quick scalp. And I don't see enough risk to reward right now at the current moment, so we'll see. Yeah, maybe we'll see a continuation right over here. It's rejecting, so we'll see. We'll take its time. It's gonna take its time. So it's rejecting right now. It's I think it's ranging right now. So we could see a continuation to the upside. I'm thinking. Nope, we're flushing good. If we close below that, I think it's a flush. GCAT is just doing its thing. It just failed. Like, it came all the way down, and it's not doing anything now. There's no, like, bullish divergence or anything like that I can go off from. Okay, now we're seeing that flush. Nice. I mean, like, I can't say anything on GCAT. I mean, okay, so I want to put this in the VIP chat. So the 1 minute we're not seeing divergence. Looks like Nasdaq is coming up again. Let's see if it holds that level and continues going down, or if it holds that as support on that standard deviation and continues going up. Guess it's turn. Yeah, it's too much volatile for my liking right now. I'm staying out. I don't like those flushes right there that are unpredictable. So I'd much rather just wait 30 minutes, a little bit 30 minutes. I guess that was a flush. Oh, that was a big flush. So bullish divergence, let me just quickly show you guys. I gotta concentrate on this. But on GC, we have bullish divergence right over here to the upside. So now as it flushes, we can make a higher low. 1 minute, there's no bullish divergence. Ooh, it's just flushing hard on the Nasdaq. Holy crap. I knew it. I knew it. I could feel it in my sleep that we were going to see a continuation. But, yeah, there's no bullish divergence like on the 1 minute, but on the 5 minute, usually if we see kind of like a pattern of bullish divergence, you can kind of find it on the 5 minute. So I could take it off the 5 minute if I really want to, but I just got to make sure there's enough risk to reward, and there's structure. So there's no structure yet at the current moment. Looks like Nasdaq is pulling back again. No, there's no bearish divergence on the 1 minute on GCAD. It's flushing hard right now. Look at that volatility right there. Insane. Looks like we just bounced off that CD. What happened to my red zone? What the fridge, bro? What happened to my red zone? It just disappeared. I deleted it? I don't think so. Look at that flush. Ooh, look at that flush to the upside. Okay, so GCAD kind of placed a higher low. Yeah, we just had a nasty pin on the 15-minute on NASDAQ. Just 1 hour, 4 hour. I like how the 1 hour liquid 50 is doing what it's doing. Let me just go to GCAD real quick. I don't know if I'm gonna take this because I'm already on my swing trade on NASDAQ 100. But yeah, I mean, like, bullish divergence. We made a higher low right over here, and so, you know, I don't know. It's sometimes I don't really like taking it on the 5 minute because you're not gonna see as much more confirmations. So now, okay, now I'm seeing the bullish divergence on the 1 minute. So I'd much rather take it on the 1 minute, of course. Ooh, we're having Nasdaq pulling up again. Just really choppy. So I would like to see structure now on the kind of on the 1 minute now for me to take it. Yeah, we're just seeing a lot of freaking volatility in the Nasdaq right now. But yeah, so it's, you know, price action is falling, RSI is rising, so now we have bullish divergence on it. So I mean, I'm just kind of expecting more structure. I mean, liquid 50 is kind of on, it's probably gonna go into full reset as price action continues going down like that, and then goes into the sell zone probably, maybe. I don't know. I just like to see more structure onto it, you know, like, so we're making higher lows. 5 minutes making higher low, which is great, but I'd much rather take it on the 1 minute because I want to see more confirmations and confluence. This would be kind of a B setup, you know, because we broke through the Asian range, the bearish divergence, you know, so liquid 50, I mean, it is falling, so I could count that as a minus. I don't know. JPAUD and JPCAD, like, I mean, they're both bullish, so I trust kind of what it's doing. Yeah, JPCAD for sure on the bullish divergence. It definitely looks better, for sure. That's what I think Austin was telling me. I'm just watching this though. I'm not looking to trade it right now, but the bullish divergence right over here is definitely much better, as you can see here. So, you know, if it makes a higher low right over here, we could see a continuation to the upside. Only thing that I would say is, obviously there's bearish divergence on top. So in my grading, they're both the same. And then liquid 50 on the 15 minutes falling way more than it is on kind of on the GCAD 15 minute. Like if we look at the 1 hour, you know, it's bullish just like GCAD. 4 hour, liquid 50 is falling, but it's in a buy zone. EMAs are kind of counter trend. I mean, the 800 EMA is technically common trend, but you know the 821 EMAs are in the upshift, as well as the other intraday kind of like small periods EMAs. One daily. I mean, we're all coming off the 200 EMA right now. We are in the upshift, and liquid 50 is up in the buy zone, which is something different from GCAD, because GCAD was in the sell zone on the daily. So I would say, yeah, I mean, on the higher time frames, it's a little bit better than GCAD for sure. But as we're making kind of a lower high right there, maybe price action continues going down, especially with that hard flush right there. Yeah, JP Cat is just doing its thing. So, I mean, right now it looks like JP pairs are trying to flush right now. So, it is what it is. Right now, price action on NASDAQ is just so choppy right now and really volatile. So, I'm keeping an eye on that. I like how it's been rejecting with these pins, but at the same time, Nasdaq can do anything it wants. He doesn't care about technicals really much on some days, so you definitely have to beware. Like, I'm expecting kind of an intraday pop on the Nasdaq and the tech sector and the S&P. Looks like we had a gap down today. I mean, yeah, not a gap down, excuse me. We had a gap down yesterday. What is the risk reward on that? SPY. Like about 1-2R. Yeah, I didn't really trade any Forex today. I traded Forex last night, though. Alright, so we got some, you know, obviously bullish divergence right here on SPY. SPY can give us kind of an indication of what the other indices could do as well. Looks like it's going up, so we'll see what it actually does. I'm expecting kind of a pop on SPY today. Yeah, I guess we're seeing a pop to the upside now, at least from my opinion. Yeah, we're seeing a pop right now to the upside for sure. Yeah, we're seeing a pop. Yeah, I think we're seeing a pop to the upside. GCAT is coming up. Could be a fake out, who knows. I'm just seeing a lot of volatility to the upside right now. GCAT is just kind of just doing its thing. Just ranging. Bullish divergence is still valid, so we'll see what it does. Very interesting to see what we're doing today on SPY and all the indices. So about 1R right there. I don't know. I guess I'm just not too prone on taking scalps to the upside, because I'm really careful with it. But if we, I mean, I don't know, just a daily pivot, 50 EMA, the 200 EMA. On the 4-hour, we're coming out support as the S2 pivot. On the 8-hour, we're coming on support of the 200 EMA and the S2 pivot. On the 1 daily, we're coming on to the 50 EMA. So for me, it's just, I don't know, not really worth it to take it long, because I'm seeing much more support to the upside. I mean, resistance to the upside. So I'm just really being careful with it, because we could always see a flush. Maybe that's kind of my downside today. Like the reason why I couldn't capitalize on big moves today, just because I wasn't able to pull the trigger to the upside, because I was too focused on my analysis. I could see that for sure. But again, with the Nasdaq, with my experience, I just have to be careful, especially like, you know, right now we're coming into 30 minutes after the open, and that's whenever you're kind of see reversals, like market's gonna trick you going into one way and then just literally reversing really hard. So that's why I'm careful on these kind of moves, because, you know, especially during like intraday, like during the afternoon, you just see a lot of reversals. So I'm not down to kind of take those risks, you know. Like the higher time frames are always gonna win, even though intraday seems really volatile. You know, higher time frames play a huge role. So this is interesting. So I think maybe we're seeing in the upside potential is the U.S. economy bounced back at a pace of 33.1%, a record yet temporary surge as businesses reopen and stimulus cash powered consumer spending. So I think that's why we had a kind of a green open today, right over here. Still bearish on it. So I think, in my opinion, I'm still thinking that we're going to see kind of a So I just reduced risk on my position on my swing trade, just in case, and then I'll add in once I see a little bit more confirmation to the upside. But that's just my target to the downside. We've already moved more than one standard deviation, 1, 2, almost 3 right now. Yeah, so maybe I could take a long right over here. I'll see what it does toward this level on the daily pivot over here as it starts kind of coming up to the daily pivot. Let's see. See what we do here. Here's small barrel versions right there. G-Cat looks like it's just falling right now, so nothing really significant at all. We're seeing a rejection off that daily pivot right there. So we're up almost 100 points from the open. It looks bullish to me. But I do think we're going to see a continuation right over here to this level. We have bullish divergence in SPY too, so let's see if we see a flush. I like how SPY is looking at how SPY, because if we close below that 50 EMA, I think we're closing for sure bearish for the day. I shouldn't say for sure. I should say probably like 60%. Yeah, it's not bearish. There's no bearish div right there. So let's see if we see a failure to make a new high, and a failure to break through the bias 50. So SPL looks like it's trying to close below that. So if we actually close with a bearish confirmation on the 1 minute, because that would be really interesting. Then we can start seeing some fireworks. Leave a like if you guys haven't. Really appreciate it. So like yeah, SPY closed bearish right now. Below the 50, which we call the bias 50. Right over here. As you can see there, we closed below that. So that's, for me, that's a bearish indication on SPY, which then we could see kind of a correlation toward all the other indices. Yeah, it's moved quite a lot. So it's moved like about 1, 2, 3, about 3 standard deviations. So I would be short right now from this level. This would be a short. Alright, so SPY kind of is pulling back up, so let's see if we kind of make a lower high or we see continuation to the upside. Alright, we're closing bearish on the Nasdaq. Let's see if we close bearish on the SPY. And yeah, we didn't close bearish. We closed kind of a pin bar. Very interesting. Alright, so looks like Nasdaq's trying to fall right now. Yeah, this could be a higher low in SPY then. I mean, the probabilities on SPY are about like, I'll say 60%. That's gonna make a higher low. Yeah, it's making a higher low right now. So it can either do two things: make a lower high, come down, or break through right over here, make a full higher low, and continue going up. Either two things. And we could use indicators for confluence. So look at 50 is rising, as well as the SPY. So could make a full higher low. I don't know. This would be kind of the level 3. It'll into a level 3. So I'm kind of skeptical because I'm seeing kind of a formation of bearish divergence. Or bearish divergence. Like, so SPY there's no bearish divergence, but NASDAQ there is bearish divergence. So this could be the level 3 into a bearish divergence on NASDAQ. For me, it is. On SPY, it's not really. I don't know. That's why I'm careful on that. As well as I'm seeing rejection. So I may not scalp it to the long side. Yeah, just being careful today. These are the trades that I could have taken today, but I didn't. Just, you know, being careful. Don't want to be in the wrong side of the market today. Yeah, it's just kind of sketch for me. I don't know. Plus the FQ and levels right here. Yeah, we're just going into resistance right now in the higher time frames. One hour looks like we have room to the upside to the 50 EMA. 4 hour that we're rejecting off the 8. Yeah, I'm just a little bit careful now. I could take this long if I really want to, but it'll have to be kind of a really low risk. I took it long. Small risk. Not that much. Just add a little bit of risk into it. And I'll reduce risk if I really need to. If I don't see the move that I really want to. But I think we will. Just looking at price action and what we're doing right now. So we got bullish divergence there. So if I'm not seeing like a continuation, I'll reduce risk from right over here. Yeah, we're rejecting. I think I'm reducing risk if it comes down and breaks through the 8 EMA. Reduce risk right there. And I may get out early. And let's see if we close above that. Yeah, it's hard to trade into level 3s. That's why I was skeptical about taking this. Reducing risk. I'm out fully right there. At about about a 1/4% of a loss today on that trade. Actually, less than a 1/4%, like 0.20%. So technically, I'm out break even for the day from my win from yesterday. Had a win on yesterday on your AED. I'm about break even on those 2 trades. Yeah, I'm just so skeptical about that. Now, like, we saw a continuation, then came out, broke to that level. We could see a continuation again over here, but I don't know. We'll see. I mean, if it closes below that line, an indication for me that it's gonna continue going bearish. But I managed it really well, in my opinion. Even if it does go up, I managed it really well. Alright, so I added in right over here. And I'll be out right over here, buy right over here at this level. Unless it flushes again. No, you know. Interesting. Look at 50 starting to kind of start falling right now. Like that. With bearish divergence. It's not good. Yeah, 2 flushes. I think I'm out right over here. Yeah, I'm out on that level. I don't like the flush. I don't like the 2 flushes. Maybe it's just me being impatient. But I just don't like the 2 flushes there. Alright, so now we're leaving up to about 0.5% of a loss today. Which is fine. I'm just going to be patient with it. It's 9:32 for me, so we'll see what we do here. You know, there's 2 confirmations for me that I don't like. I want to see that, you know, I think SAR is starting to... Where's the SAR? Yeah, we're seeing weakness right now. Could be me being impatient, but it is what it is. So we're ending the session with 0.5% of a loss. Actually, we're not ending it. I'm still going to be trading. I'm just going to be watching right now, and just let the market do its thing. It's about an hour after the open, so I'm interested to see what we do here. We're falling to like break through the standard deviation, so if it fails, then you know it's a good indication that we could go short. But anyways, hopefully you guys have a freaking awesome day, which makes sense also because it's bearish divergence, and then liquid 50 starting to fall again. That's why I got out. But anyway, so hopefully you guys have a freaking awesome day. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 5 a.m. CST on Friday. Kind of a, you know, just a choppy session. Not gonna lie. I mean, a lot of volatility to the upside for sure. I could have gone into several opportunities, but I was just a little bit careful because of you know, just because of what I'm looking at right now on like the higher time frames. So also I have my swing trade open still, so that's still running. I did reduce risk on my position, so we're looking at that. But anyways, hopefully you guys have a freaking awesome day. I'll give you guys updates on the Instagram stories. But yeah, we'll see what we do here on the market, kind of when the market closes and stuff like that. Hopefully we can get into a good opportunity. If not, then it is what it is. I'm just gonna, you know, leave it like that. Don't want to like get into losses or a streak loss or whatever. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a freaking awesome day. That verification FTMO video will be coming out tomorrow, hopefully today because I'm editing it right now, but hopefully tomorrow by the morning it'll be out, fully out. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a freaking awesome day. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 5 a.m. CST for Wildcard Friday. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything like that, as well as we have kind of our verification, actually the Halloween sale on the AceFX website going on right now, which is literally sick, because we're going to see kind of a lot of people coming in, a lot of people who are actually interested in learning how to trade properly. And I think it's an awesome opportunity for you guys to come in, learn how to trade using a proper systematic approach instead of just a discretionary. Okay, I haven't slept. Oh my god. Instead of having kind of a strategy bias, just trading, just all based on strategy bias, where you're forming your own opinion as well as using that strategy's assets, or using that strategy's just basically the tools in it. So that's why systematic approach is really important, in my opinion. But anyway, so it looks like Nasdaq is pulling back down again. But let me know if you guys have any questions or anything like that. Let's have a good day. Even though we took a loss, I'm not gonna let it affect me too much, because I know that I'll make that back in the future. It's just all about long-term perspective instead of a short-term perspective. But anyways, hopefully you guys have a freaking awesome day. Let me know if you guys need me. Message me on Instagram if you guys have any questions or anything like that, as well as if you're ready to join our AceFX team, then message me, of course, in my Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and ciao.
Don't you ever let go, no. It looks so bright now, yeah. It looks so bright now. These colors are vibrant, it's showing me the meaning, the answer to all the questions that I'm asking of life here, this planet. I look in wonder of it all. You show me that we can be just as beautiful. Aren't you tired of living on the outside? Don't you want to live without hindsight? 'Cause our future looks so bright now. So don't you ever let go, let go.